Hello, welcome to Marilyn's Kitchen. Today I am with another sweet dish, okay, called the Vorn in Goan Konkani and Vorne in Mangalorean Konkani. Now it can be a variation depending upon which place you are from, okay. This is prepared with dal. I'll show you which dal. Look at the vessel here. Okay, this is the green gram dal. Green gram it is, but I am not going to use this. It is called the moong dal. Some of them use this, but today I am going to use another dal. It is the gram dal. Okay, this is the gram dal. I have washed it thoroughly, soaked it for 4 hours, and that's why you have it blown up like this. Okay, bloated. I will boil this. I have made some water. I am going to boil this in an open vessel, not in a cooker, because this has to be grainy in the sweet. If you boil it in the cooker, it gets smashed. Okay, I made this water hot and putting in that, let it boil. And I'll show you when to stop it and then strain it. Yes. Let it boil on a medium-high flame. This is the way it has to be cooked. I hope you have seen. See. Okay, now is the time to strain it. Straining there. Taken 1 cup of rice flour. Put it in this because I have taken 2 cups of gram, you know that dal, harbara dal it is called. I'll put some water and make it a paste, because I have to remove the lumps. I'm using this to make this sweet. We bought ready-made flour. Okay, done. Put 1 teaspoon of ghee. Okay, on low flame only do this, because, and pour this into this. Don't allow to burn. Do it in a low flame only. And see that all the stir it till all the lumps come out. I will put in the thin coconut milk. You put half of it. And keep stirring this on low flame only till it becomes homogeneous mix. Putting in salt. Every sweet dish, little pinch of salt has to be put. Now, why do we put rice flour? Because it will thicken the Vorn. Okay, Okay, this is the time to put in jaggery. Now I am taking sugarcane jaggery. Okay, Goans use palm jaggery or coconut jaggery. You can use anything provided it gives you sweetness to the. Now I have taken almost 150 grams of this jaggery. Let it melt in this. See that this is in low flame only. Some of them melt this in water separately and then mix it. This is also okay. With the heat, this will get melt. Let it melt. Let it melt on slow flame. This is the remaining thin milk, okay? So, you can put in some water also. Let the rice flour that I put into this cook. It has to cook well. The rice flour is almost boiled. Now I will put in the dal. Okay, this is sabudana, sago. This is optional. It's optional, mind you, but I am going to put it. Half of this I have soaked. Okay, soaked it for 4 hours. Okay, till it bulges like this. Put it. It tastes nice, that's why. Keep stirring till it boils, and then now you see I have to put in the cardamom powder. Medium flame. I'll put half a teaspoon. This is half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. I've ground it with sugar because then it becomes fine. Green cardamom. Keep stirring. I'll tell you at what stage to put the. I am going to roast in ghee the dry fruits. Okay, to garnish the Vorn. Okay, I kept the Vorn in low flame. Put in 1 teaspoon of ghee. Light it. Low flame. Now is the time to put in the thick milk. Just stir it and keep it for 2 minutes on the slow flame. Okay, let the thick cream, thick coconut milk come to 1 boil. Now come this side. The ghee has heated. Stir it. Don't allow it to burn. As this gets fried, you put in the almonds. Okay. Then put in the pistachio. And keep stirring. Put off the flame and put this into that. Keep stirring. So it will get bloated up in that. Let it come to one boil. It has come to a boil. Put it off and put this. Mix it. Come, let's go to the table. Zale. Yeah. Okay, I'm not fishing the fruits, okay, dry fruits. This one. I'm going to sit and eat. Let me cover the Vorn. In South India, this is called Payasam, okay. It's very hot because it just come out of the gas from the kitchen. Shall I taste it? So nice, you know, I have put that sago in that for a variation. It's very good. My dear viewers, you try that. Very nice. Come, you'll try if you'll want. My dear viewers, it's turned out very good. Today my husband is not around. Others, he is the best one to give. I mean, he's the right person to give the comments or to say the taste of it. But I like it. According to me, I have tasted it. It's beautiful. You try my way. It may be a little variation from the Goan, from the Mangalorean. I am neutral. I am a... You see, my husband is a Mangalorean. So I have made it that way. I am a Goan. I made it my way. So it become cocktail. But it is wonderful. Just right, the sweetnesses. And coconut milk will give an additional flavor. Sweetish flavor. The ghee in it. Ghee is very important. I'm going to say, dear viewers, you follow word by word, step by step my recipe, and I assure you it will turn out awesome. And get back to me with comments. Negative, positive, that really doesn't matter. Till my next video, see you. Bye bye. Very nice it is, you know. That rice flour in this is giving it this little body for it, thickness. Understood? The dal also is cooked just correctly. It should not mash up. It should be grainy. Then the dry fruits in it, awesome. You have to roast the dry fruits in ghee.